Hey guys, guess who's doing her nails today again? Me. So I am at Detty Beauty Studio doing my nails. Then later on I have to go to the market to go and buy chicken because I need a layered chicken. And then I gotta cook it. So you guys will watch me cook it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing today. So I am here again. I know you guys have seen this place before. This is nice. See, they've grown, they've moved. Hey guys, how are you? So I got done doing my nails. Look at that! And here it says Happy New Year. I love them, guys. It's hot. It's hot. So what's the temperature outside? 33 degrees Celsius out. It's hot. When I say it's hot, yo, it's hot. Anyway, so now I am going to the market. I need that chicken. That I wanted to buy village chicken, but I've heard village chickens have like gone up. So now I'm just going to get layer. A layer chicken is the one that lays eggs, the ones that you eat for breakfast. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to get from the market. It's cheaper from the market, and also I'm so close to the market, so I just decided I go. Oh shit, sorry, pardon my Spanish, sorry, pardon my language. Yeah, so I am driving to Challenger Market. I'll just ask the women to bring the chickens by the car so that I get, then I start heading back. I have to prepare my brothers, my nephews, because they are supposed to go and play at my brother's place. So Ethan is at my place, Ryan is at my sister's place, his place. So I have to pick him as I am driving home so that they can be picked from my place. And also I have to binge watch. I haven't been watching TV in a long time, so I need to watch because I've been paying. You get it? Yeah, I know you get it. So yeah, I need to pay for that and just watch. I need to watch because I paid already. Let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. So I am in Chilenge now, because I've been doing nails from Detty Beauty Studios using their Chalala branch, the one right next to the Shantungu traffic lights. Yeah, so you can also go do your nails from there. It's not like I'm promoting them or something or the thing like that. Nah, you can try them. They're very good. They do gel nails. I don't know if they do acrylics because I've never asked. I've never done that before. But for the gel nails, I know. And I love that. Guys, look. Ah! Ah! Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. And a Happy New Year. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Hey guys, so I left a cable by the parlor, and also the guys ran to me when I wanted to buy chicken. So I bought the chicken. It's at the back of the car because I was like, eh, this one is heavy, this one is heavy, yeah, this one is what? But always I go for the baby chicken so that it's easy to cook and it becomes tender because the boys are at home. And also this chicken is for tomorrow. I think today they've already prepared lunch. So this chicken is for tomorrow. Tomorrow never come. So it's for tomorrow. We'll just kill it today. Maybe tomorrow we kill it today. I think we'll kill it today. We'll kill it today. Hi, bye. We kill it today, then I freeze it. Yeah. Wash it nicely. I add salt and we freeze it. Then I cook it tomorrow. I'm nearing my sister's place, picking up the younger boy, then we go. Hey, good morning guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been about, but yo guys, life has been happening. Life has been life. Thank God it's December. Like, I don't know, but anyway, energy levels have really been on zero. They've been on zero. No zero for jokes. No, they've really been on zero. And I like growing up, guys. No. So anyway, today is a Saturday. I am with nigger homegirl, nigger homeboy behind, and we are going to see the mechanic because my car, I don't know what happened. He told me it was spider bearings. We changed them, then after a week they broke again. He changed them, so now I'm going again to go and see what really is a problem, because every time I pass on a hump, I'm in a gravel road, it sounds as if something is breaking. And I was supposed to do a road trip last weekend, but I couldn't because of the same thing. So I don't know what really is the problem. So today I want to go there physically because he's just been getting the vehicle, going there to go fix it. But so today we are changing something else also. He said maybe where tie rods ends and rack ends, something like that, and ball joints. But I know my ball joints are perfect, so I'm going to see him. I'm also due for service. Hi baby. Huh? Oh, okay, do. So I'm going to see him to see what really is the problem before I could spend or whatever, because I do not have money. I don't have money to spend anymore. So that's where we are going. I don't know how long we're gonna take. And as you can hear, I'm developing a flu. And it's really bad. My temperature is high. My head aches. My throat hurts. Yeah. So I need to pass through the pharmacy to just get some meds. But yeah, let's go. This is Rhodes Park. This is Long Acres. This is Rhodes Park. Yeah. We'll be heading to Monday Hill in a bit. I think that's a route that it's gonna take us. Yo. This is a famous standard chartered roundabout. It's so famous. Very famous because of it. So in the night, those things, they light up for Christmas. The festive season. Like a trophy, yes.
Exit the roundabout onto Addis Ababa Drive, then turn left onto Lagos Road.
This is North Mid area. Ahead is Great East. I've seen Bernini on the billboard.
Turn right onto Great East Road, T4, then turn left
here,
onto Bennekeil Road.
But now there's a gas station. Have you guys seen Bernini? This is a drink that I'm drinking nowadays. It's an alcoholic beverage, by the way. So we're gonna go right, left, yeah. We're still on Great East. It's a busy Saturday. There are usually speed traps here, but now I can see there is nothing.
Take the next right onto Lubombe Road.
Hey guys, so I am here, but the guy is not yet here. So we have to enter inside there. That's where the garage is. And look at all these people working from outside. You've seen a mechanic. Have you seen a mechanic, my boy? And these ones are the best. I hear when they make you, they touch your car, you will never come again. And when we were going to Livingston with the guys for the most day of thunder for 2021 or 2022? Yeah. 2022 because last year I missed. So 2022. When I missed, guys, I don't know what happened to the car. It brought an engine check. So I called a friend in Monze. I was like, the car is giving us problems. He was like, okay, let me send you a number for a guy. Sent us a number for a guy. He wasn't picking up. Then we just drove to his garage. Guys, he touched that vehicle just once. He touched that vehicle. He was like, no, you need to change, you need to wash. I don't know what we were supposed to wash, and then bought oil and put back. Something like that, yeah, for the money. That car has never given us any problems. That thing. I remember even me when I think you guys have seen a video when I was driving from Chipata when I was alone. I don't know what happened to my tire, but they said the valve had cut, so I bought a valve and they touched that car. That tire, from the time I pumped it when I was driving from Chipata, I've never pumped it. It's just like that. But these other three are the ones that every time I have to put pressure, especially the one for this side. I stepped on a nail. Adults, no, don't grow up, guys. Yo. But anyway, let's wait for Chimwemo. We hear what he has to say today. Otherwise, today, I am not eating any nonsense today. I know he's gonna watch this video. So, today, I'm not eating any nonsense. Nonsense today. Guys, so that's a guy that is doing what? Oh, nice. So that's a guy that's I don't know if you go unscrewing or whatever. He has removed the tire and the part that's making noise, so that the other guy can check it. Now I'm in their car. Look at. I think this is an injured. I'm even scared that maybe a rat will come out. It's hot, yo. Moving with kids. Uh-oh, mucus is coming out. Let me clean you. We had to buy. Yeah. Okay. Guys, guess what? So I told you, we changed spider bearings twice. And this time again, it's a spider bearings. So I'm not buying spider bearings. I am not buying because I've been paying for 2 times. I bought 2 times and he's fixed 2 times. So I don't know who's buying this time, but I want my car to be okay. Alright? I'm not being difficult. That's not my problem. I don't know how they put it. But I bought twice. So he went to get from someone. I don't know what he went to get. He said a complete shaft. I don't know what a shaft is and I don't care. I don't want to know. I just want my car to be alright. That's what we're doing today. I'm not in the mood today. Hey guys, so guess what? We got done fixing this car. Time check is 1:30. I was forced to get pizza for that elderly man behind there, and I did. So I'm just driving home. We'll go shower. I wanted to take these guys out for a swim today, but yo, it's super hot. It's like 38 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius out there. So we have to chill a bit. I'll see if I can take them maybe near home. If not today, then tomorrow. Otherwise, I just want to be indoors and drink lots of water, because can't do this. With the way I'm feeding, watermelon is 20, pineapple is 10. I should get some so that I make juice for this thing that I have, because it will not kill me. Yeah. Anyway, let's go home. I am hoping and praying to God that this car does not do what it has done in the past 2 weeks. 2 weeks, that thing has broken 3 times. 3 times. The one we've changed today is the 4th one in 2 weeks. No. I can't do this adult thing. I swear, like, I cannot do it. But anyway, let's go home.